Hello, everyone. As we enter into February, we wanted to advise you of two important processes that play out on SchoolZone and provide you with a very quick video tutorial to show you how to complete them. First one is reporting attendance. One of the effects of this current strike is that it has us examining all of our practices and looking for efficiencies. One practice that is horribly inefficient is listening to hundreds of voicemail messages every day detailing attendance. Beginning the week of February 10th, you will no longer be able to leave a voicemail message on our main office line. We are encouraging all parents to use SchoolZone to enter their students' attendance should they have to be away. We are also entering into our pre-enrollment stage. And while it may seem that the school year has only just begun, we're actually well into the planning for next year. A vital part of this process is the pre-enrollment process, in which we ask all parents to go into SchoolZone and let us know where you plan to enroll for next year. There will be a brief video released this week showing how to do this. This is critically important for all of our schools to plan for instruction next year. For many of you, it is super simple. For many others, it might be slightly more complex, but the following two videos will show you both how to report your child's attendance, should they have to be away, and how to pre-enroll your student to ensure that they are set up for a successful next school year. As I am also a parent of a current EPSB student, I thought that it would be helpful to show you this process myself. After watching these videos, if you have any further questions, you can call us at 780-476-8671 during regular business hours, or you can always email us at community@epsb.ca. Thank you for